We're with SPU women's basketball coach Julie Heisey. The GNAC preseason poll is out this morning, and a couple different teams from the past couple of years. The top, Montana State Billings 1, SPU number 2. Julie, your thoughts on that?
Well, I thought this poll was really hard to vote on as a coach because I think we have the top 5 and 6 teams are all very even, and but I do think that Montana State is very deserving. Bobby Knutson's one of the best players in the conference, and they had 4 starters back and signed a 6'4" girl that transferred from Montana State. So I can see where they are the team to beat. And as far as our preseason ranking, it's a preseason poll, and we have to remember that. But I do think that we're returning a lot of really good players. Our kids have worked hard, and we finished well last year. We were able to win our game against Billings in the conference tournament, and we got everybody healthy again. So we're looking forward to a great season, and yeah.
And it looks like, as always, there's no such thing as an off night in this conference anymore.
No.
You got to show up ready to play every night.
No, I mean, I think this was by far the hardest poll I've had to go through because every team is well coached, and there's a lot of returners that on every team, and it's going to be tough. There's no question, and I think that's why if you can win in our conference, you have a very good chance of winning the region. And if you can win the region, you have a very good chance of getting to the Final Four. And our conference has done that over and over again in the last 8 years.
Obviously, very early stages of practice this week, but just some quick thoughts on how things have been going and what's possible for this team this year.
Well, it's exciting. We've had 2 days of practice, and I was pleased. I think we have had all season or all summer to think about how we want to get better, and we have a group of individuals that I think still, even though they did a super job last year persevering, they have that taste of not quite being satisfied. Last year we had high hopes and we had to deal with some injuries. So we definitely have a strong group of seniors that are very determined to finish well. And so I think you can see the work that they've put in the off season and then just starting practice. I see it in our defensive intensity. I see it in our leadership. I see it just in the way we've just jumped right in, and I think we're progressing well. Even with the 5 freshmen, they're doing a great job too.
All right.